I believe that the generalization of following one specific script does not work for all. It's not all for one and one for all. So one of the things we talk with some of our agents all the time about is preparing and becoming an expert in scripting. I would say this. I would say you have to become an expert in unscripting. You have to know who you are, what you're all about, what your core value system is, and what value you bring to the table. And provide real-world conversational pieces, conversational scripts around that. And that's what we look to do here at Century 21, is we're really trying to provide our agents with the ability to be themselves, the ability to follow a script to a certain point, but understand that you have to add your own caveats. You have to add your own flavor. So I believe that the generalization of following one specific script does not work for all. It's not all for one and one for all. It's just a much more specific situation where you have to have your own different version of how you're going to bring value to the market.